Picture this: the sun is shining, flowers are blooming, and the world is bursting with vibrant green. It's beautiful, right? So why does your body decide this is the perfect moment to declare war on the air around you, leading to an uncontrollable symphony of sneezes? Well, the straightforward answer is that your immune system, which is usually a fantastic protector, sometimes misidentifies harmless grass pollens as dangerous invaders. When this happens, it launches an allergic reaction, and sneezing is one of its primary defense mechanisms to expel what it perceives as a threat. Here is how it works inside your body. When grass pollen enters your respiratory system, specific immune cells, called B cells, produce specialized antibodies known as immunoglobulin E, or IgE. These IgE antibodies then attach themselves to other immune cells, particularly mast cells, which are found in abundance in your nose, throat, and lungs. The next time you encounter grass pollen, these allergens bind to the IgE on the mast cells. This binding triggers the mast cells to release a powerful chemical called histamine, along with other inflammatory substances. Histamine is the culprit behind many of your allergy symptoms. It causes blood vessels to dilate, increases mucus production, and irritates nerve endings, resulting in that familiar itchy, runny nose, watery eyes, and, of course, those explosive sneezes. Understanding this process empowers you to manage your symptoms better. For instance, knowing that pollen is the trigger means you can take proactive steps. Try to check daily pollen counts, especially during peak grass pollen season, which typically runs from late spring through early summer. Keeping your windows closed, particularly during windy days or when counts are high, can significantly reduce indoor pollen. After spending time outdoors, changing your clothes and taking a quick shower helps wash away any clinging pollen, preventing it from recirculating in your home or getting into your bedsheets. Using a nasal rinse can also physically flush pollen particles out of your nasal passages. It is interesting to note that while we focus on grass pollen, the term allergy season actually encompasses various pollen types, including tree pollen in early spring and weed pollen in late summer and fall. Another fascinating aspect is cross-reactivity, where your immune system might confuse proteins in certain foods with those found in pollen. For example, some people with grass pollen allergies might experience mild oral allergy syndrome symptoms, like an itchy mouth, after eating specific fruits such as peaches, tomatoes, or melons, because the proteins are structurally similar to the grass pollen. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on during grass pollen season, remember it is your immune system trying its best to protect you, albeit a bit misguidedly. By understanding the why behind your sneezing, you gain valuable insight into managing your allergy more effectively. This knowledge helps you take preventative measures, reduce your exposure, and ultimately enjoy those beautiful spring and summer days with far fewer sniffles and much more comfort, turning those moments of beauty back into pure joy.